here from our zone, and today we will be making an encoder and decoder project. So what is an encoder and decoder? So friends, nowadays a lot of people get hacked and the personal messages get read by the hacker. So we have to find some way so that the hacker does not understand the user's private messages. So there comes the encoder and decoder. So friends, let us start. First, I will explain you the code and then I will show you the output and how it works. You can just paste the encoded message and your friend can use the decoder to decode what you have sent. So friends, please sit back and enjoy. So friends, first we import all the required library. So first we need the random module. I'll tell you why we will use the random module afterwards. So next we use the tkinter module. So this is for the GUI. Yes, this app also has GUI. So import star means import everything. Then from the tkinter library we import ttk and message box. TTK is like a more modernized version of tkinter, and message box are the small message boxes that you get when an application wants to show an error, or maybe it wants to show you some information. So next we need pill, which is pillow, and we need image tk and image for putting an image on the tkinter window. Then we need paperclip for copying the encoded text. So we'll first take a look at the GUI. So first we make the main window using the tk class. Next we put the title, geometry and icon bitmap. So the title I put as index. So I just creatively made this name. So next I put a geometry of 700 by 700. Then icon bitmap is like putting an icon over here. Yeah, over here I'll just run this and show you. Yeah, as you can see over here, this small logo, that's the icon bitmap. So I got this by searching it on Google. Next, this is where pillow comes. So I use the image tk dot photo image. Then I use the image also. Then I resize it to 200 because that's the required size. This photo is a lot bigger than that. So then I put an image label and just put the image in the label. Then just pack it. So as you can see, this is the image. And next we have like the logo label. Means this and I just changed the color and the font size. I changed it to 20 and I gave it a pad Y, means from down, uh, some spacing from like 10 pixels. Then the encode label, which is over here, encode message, and I gave that a font size of 10. Then I packed it with a pad Y of 20. Pad means, as I already told you, 20 pixels down, and pad X means from the sides. Pad X is 90 pixels from the sides. So anchor is W, means west. Then encode entry. This is the entry where we type something. As you can see, you can encode anything. Uh, we have to actually provide the decoded message so that we can sorry, yeah, we can type anything in this, then it gets encoded, and we put the encoded message inside decoded message so we can decode it. So I used place for this, so it would be a little more accurate. I tried pack before, but it didn't work for me. The UI didn't look so nice, so I used place. Then the encode button, which is this thing over here that says done, and I also use place for it. Then the decode label, that's over here, that says decode message. Then decode entry, which is over here, I also used place for that. Then I use this like drop down. Yeah, you can enter any number. I'll tell you the use case for this afterwards. Then again the decode done button, and then we just use main loop. So without the main loop, the window will just appear for 1 second and just go off. You can't even see it. Sometimes if you have one good eye, if you have a good eye, you can see it. Okay, so let's come to the functions. So encode. So first we take whatever is in this encode message. So that is text equals encode entry dot get. Then secret number equals random dot choice. So this is where random comes, and random dot choice is like it takes a random random item from a list. So I just provided the list directly. I didn't use any variable. So I made it like 0 to 9. Then I put the alphabets and from A to Z and put an underscore. So this is like for encoding this. So every letter it will take it. So I made an empty variable encoded text. So for character in text, every character in text, encoded text, this empty variable. Uh, plus equals I needed to use use an f string, or else if I just made plus c so if I just made it plus equals, it would just show me an error. You can't concatenate strings and integers. So I used an f string. You can also use the format function, which you'll just type like dot format over here. That's different, but I find using f strings more convenient. So alphabets dot index from A to Z, and I put the underscore because it doesn't detect spaces. So if you want to put in space, you have to put an underscore dot. We just lower it. If they type some uppercase, we just lower it plus the secret number. So the secret number is the random thing over here. So yeah. You need to know the secret number to decode it. So it will just show output the encoded messages, the encoded text. The secret number is the secret number. I'll tell you why we need a secret number afterwards. Yeah. So it's very important. Then paperclip.copy the encoded text. It will copy it to our clipboard, and you can just press Windows V. Yeah, in Windows you can just press Windows V. That will open the clipboard, as you can see like this. Then let's go to the decode function. Secret number input equals int clicked dot get. Yeah, see, this is clicked. Okay, so just change it to 1. Yeah, this it says 1. Now I can change it to anything. So yeah. Um. Um. So why we are using the secret number is, if I just put one number, like for example, like 2, the hacker could easily know that every time this will just make it 2, so he can just decode it in his own way easily. So we randomize that, and that's why I put this to select the secret number. So that's important. Without that, you can't decode it. You have to send your friend the secret number also. Next, again, we make an empty variable decoded text. Then alphabets equals A, B, C, D, E, so on, so on, and so forth. Again, I put the underscore also. So again, this is like characters equals text dot split. We'll just split it by comma. So like I think I missed this. So we also putting a comma over here to separate each number. So then then you can see decoded. Then we'll say for character in characters, if character is not a space, we'll say character equals in character because it's an integer. That's why we have separated this. So then decoded text plus equals alphabets at in the alphabets list character that minus the secret number input. So that's the logic over here. Like for example, if we take B and the secret number was like 2, if we index this, it will come to here like this is 3. Yeah, because we're starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then minus the secret number input, that's 2. So let's say 1, 2, and we come to B. That's the logic. So yeah. Then we'll say message box dot show info. Output the decoded text is decoded text. Paperclip dot copy the decoded text. So yeah friends, that is all. Now I will show you the output of this. So friends, here's the output. So let's encode in message. Let's say please underscore subscribe underscore to underscore Aaditya underscore zone. Let's say done. Ooh, that's a long message. And the secret number is 3. Okay, if we want to decode this, I just said, oh, I already selected it before. I just control V because yesterday did my keyboard, see it's so long. So if I press done, it says the decoded text is please subscribe to our T zone. Wow, that's so cool. And if we install, like if I had two computers over here, if I install the same program in both, and if I like use WhatsApp or WhatsApp web over here, I can just send this encoded message to him to the other computer, and the other computer can decode it using the secret number. Wow, that is so cool. And the length can be limitless. I'm not put any character limit to this, so it can be limitless. So friends, that is all. That is the output. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, have a good day.